Every day, restaurants throw away money. Not only restaurants, but corner stores, different stores outside which are not having huge amount of software backup. They don't have any tracking system. They don't have any alerting system. Restaurants, corner stores, even big coffee places, big chains. We have tested the market. We have talked with the people on ground. They informed us that they still use paper-based system. Imagine expiry tracking in a paper-based system. So we built VivaShelf from ground up to address this kind of situations.
VivaShelf is designed for FIFO, which is the first expiry, first out algorithm. Our tech stack is contained within the multi-tenant role, also containing the roles-based access. That means that chefs and the staff cannot access the manager part of the system. The whole system can be seen from the manager's side, so he has full visibility on the stock and the inventory, as well as the expiry tracking. And they will also have access to the tech reports, the waste report, which is extremely important for corporations, as well as custom notifications. That means SMS, email, and or push notifications.
Of course, there are competitors. There has to be competitors. It's free market. Our competitors are mainly for bigger chains, for people, for chains, for franchisee, which is having a lot of money. We, on the other hand, are for corner stores, the restaurants, the juice bar owners. We are offering this all-in-one platform just for this kind of users to help track waste, reduce waste, and make money. So we are seeking help for our infrastructure, for our platform analytics, and a united front to help reduce food waste.